Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone tutorial, and here I'll detail how to receive phone calls on iPad. So if you have an iPad without SIM and you want to start receiving phone calls on your iPad, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when you want to receive phone calls on iPad without SIM, you need to turn on this feature on your iPhone and make sure you sign to the same iCloud account as your iPhone. So go to your iPad and sign into the iCloud account you signed in on your iPhone. Then once you've successfully signed into the iCloud account, come to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on the phone app. So just need to go ahead and click on the phone app if you're using iOS 17 or earlier. So locate the phone app on settings page and click on it. On iOS 18, just scroll down and click on apps. Now on the apps page on your iOS 18, scroll down to the phone app and click on it. So locate the phone app and click on it. Now once you tap the phone app, I'm going to scroll down. Then come to calls. Under calls, locate calls on other devices and click on that. Then once you selected that, you see allow calls on other devices. And then if you have an iPad linked to your iCloud account, you're going to see the name of your iPad here. As you can see, I have my iPad here, and with this enabled, I will be able to receive calls on my iPad. Now, if this is disabled in your own case, and you want to receive phone calls on your iPad, just come here and turn this on. Now, once you turn that on, you're going to see the name of your iPad here. And if the iPad name here is toggled off, just go ahead and toggle this on. And once that is enabled, when next you have a phone call on your iPhone, you'll be able to receive the same phone call on your iPad. So that is basically how to receive phone calls on iPad. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.